Hey, what's that, Babi?
What? Oh, happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to you too, Babi. What? Oh, you're in love? All right, guys. Welcome to another episode of Monkey Doodle. Today we're going to do a cool, silly character based on a heart since Valentine's Day is coming up. And this guy is called Artie Karate because he does karate chops. Chop! So here we go. Let's start by drawing a heart. There's a big curvy line that goes up and down. And let's come out from the other side. Big curvy line that goes up and down. So we have the shape of a heart here. Okay. Very cool. And heart is a beautiful shape. All curvy. Little point at the bottom. Now we're going to come up here and make two eyes. One circle here. And a bigger, sillier circle here. Or maybe we could say it's like an oval. Alright. And we'll do a little dark area circle that looks upwards. And another one that looks upwards right there in this direction. Yeah, Artie Karate starting to be born. We're going to put eyebrows downward. It's got a little aggressive look there. And we're going to put a mouth shape here. Looks like he's yelling. I'm going to put teeth here and teeth here with a rectangle shape. And looks like he's, going hi-ya. Well, he will go hi-ya. Little karate chop yell. Fill this area in black. So it looks like his mouth is open. He's being expressive here. Okay. I like that. Alright, Artie Karate coming about. And if you want to make this a girl, you could add eyelashes here. That's fine. A couple little lines coming out. And let's see. We're going to add a fist up in the air right in this area here. The dark line coming outside the heart. Let's put a thumb loop there and three more loops. Loop and loop connected to that, and another shorter one, and then close it right there. So it looks like he has a fist. Hiya! Karate! 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 Let's do another arm on this side that sticks out. Alright, and goes right down a little bit. Alright, we're going to put a fist here too. There we go. Little fist type shape. There's a couple of bumpy lines there. And let's see, we're going to do legs. One that shoots out this way. Alright, a little shape on the end here. Maybe a little longer than I wanted, but that's okay. We're going to do one shooting out this way. Little thick line. Go down a little bit. And a foot type shape here. Sort of like a triangle, okay? Artie Karate. I guess I like saying that sound too much. Alright, here's the shape of Artie Karate. Now, we're going to put a black belt on this guy. I'm going to add here a couple lines. Do like a shape here for the middle of the belt. And continue two lines this way. I'm going to switch up my Sharpie to the thinner one. Might be a little easier. I'm going to put one piece of fabric coming down here. And another one going down there. Looks like he has a belt. And then we'll color that belt afterwards. You can make it any kind of karate color you want. Alright, let's give Artie Karate a headband. Okay, there we go. Two lines that shoot across. And I'll have a little triangle right up there. So it looks like it's wrapped around his heart-shaped head. Alright, Artie Karate's coming together now. Let's do... Maybe he's so silly and crazy, this guy. He wants to really be tough looking and has a mohawk or something sticking right out of the middle of his head here. There you go. Artie Karate, just a wild, crazy, just a bunch of curvy lines that shoot out. There you go. Silly looking. Okay. And over here, it's like a little POW shape. Like a little POW explosion. Cool. Bunch of like zigzag, kind of pointy tooth-like lines. And maybe, I don't know, maybe Artie Karate's upset because, I don't know, a bunch of emojis flying around. He just doesn't like it. So I'll let you guys figure out what to do with that, okay? And a bunch of silly emojis flying around, and Artie Karate's upset for Valentine's Day, and he just wants to chop them out of the sky, all right? Little emojis. Why are emojis hanging out here, he says. Yeah. Emoji City. You can put whatever you want out there. I always like to do some patterns. You guys know that. So Artie Karate's just trying to get rid of the emojis in the area. All right. Happy Valentine's Day to you guys. Get ready to hyperspace color. You're in love with who, Babi? And who are you in love with? What? Ah, you're in love with Pikachu? Oh, Babi.